Today, we'll discuss how to parse the PDF file in VB.NET. How's it going, everyone, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to parse and extract text from a PDF file in VB.NET using the IronPDF library. So let's get started. First, let me show you the NuGet package manager. As you can see here in Visual Studio, I've already installed the IronPDF library. This library gives us all the powerful PDF parsing and text extraction capabilities that we're going to need. The program.vb file imports IronPDF namespace with the license config hidden here. The code loads an existing PDF, result.pdf from the E drive, into a PDF document object using pdfdocument.fromFile. 3 extraction methods are then demonstrated: extract all text, which is the entire PDF, extract text from page, which is a specific page, so here is page 0, and extract text from pages, so a page range, so from here, page 0 to page 1. So before we run the code, let me quickly show you the PDF that we're going to be working with. Here is the result.pdf file, and as you can see, it's an annual report with multiple sections, including organizational overview, performance highlights, operations, and processes, and more. It's a multi-page document with plenty of text to extract from. All right, so let's run the program and see this bad boy in action. Give it a moment to process the PDF and extract the text. All right, here we go, perfect. Look at the console output. The text extraction worked flawlessly. You can see all the content from the PDF has been extracted as plain text. There's the annual report heading, the organizational review section, performance highlights, operations and processes, financial summary, and all the other sections. The text is clean, properly formatted, and ready to use. IronPDF preserved the structure and extracted everything accurately from our multi-page PDF document. And that's it. We've successfully parsed and extracted text from a PDF file using IronPDF in VB.NET. It's super fast, reliable, and perfect for automating document processing workflows. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. We got many more coming, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, we have a trial that you can use on our site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below. Check it out.